Need a diagram for the governor and throttle linkage for a B&S 440,000. Technician moved springs around, charged me $100 and left my lawn tractor in worse shape. Thanks.
Hello, and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. I'll be helping you today and am committed to providing clear and concise answers to your question. What model, type, and code number engine, please?
Model #XXXXX type 1187B1 code 1000122Y6. This is on a Husqvarna ETH2348.
Thank you. There's a few variations. Does this look like yours? I'm posting this as an answer to comply with site guidelines, but it may not be the final answer. Additional troubleshooting may be required. So please hold off on rating until we determine the exact problem. If this doesn't solve it, please use the reply to expert link so we can continue the discussion.
That is very similar to what I have, but I can't see the placement of the larger spring. My governor shaft has two long slotted holes and a round one in the center of the shaft.
Sorry. Briggs doesn't do a very good job of illustrating that one, but here's where it connects.
Well, the pictures you had are definitely different than what I have. There are two rods coming down, one on each side of the carb. The left side looking at the carb attaches to the governor. I have no throttle control.
What does this engine go on?
Husqvarna ETH2348, bought in 2010.
You have a yard tractor with no throttle control?
Correct, it runs like it's flooding itself. Moving the throttle makes no difference. Nothing on the linkage side moves except for the swivel piece connected to the throttle cable going back to the controls.
Double checking that spec, even cross-referencing the information from Husqvarna indicates this style of bracket. I've never seen a tractor without a throttle control, since that would be a serious safety issue. It doesn't look like this? RIC 41164.9674231829. This is what's showing from the Husqvarna info. Has something been changed?
The throttle at the controls move fine, and so does the swivel at the linkage, but that's as far as it goes. The motor continues to act as if it's choking and doesn't increase or decrease speed with the movement of the throttle.
If you move the throttle that controls the butterflies on the carburetor itself, does the speed increase? The one directly on the carburetor, not the linkage. RIC 41164.9970448727.
The one directly attached to the governor does very slowly.
This sounds more like a carburetor issue than a governor issue. When was the last time the carburetor was cleaned?
Just took it off and cleaned it. Next guess is the governor became loose and moved toward the engine, causing it to miss the linkage. Thanks for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.